Auntie, uncle, why you not dey add tomato to your food? Una dey quarrel. Try to incorporate tomato in your daily diet. It is a very good one for you. It cleanses your blood. It helps to regulate your blood pressure. It fights against heart diseases. It boosts your collagen. It fights against obesity. Tomato is a very good one for you. Try it. You will see yourself looking younger and healthier than even your last child. Alright, please do subscribe to my channel and share my videos. God bless you. I don't know. So tomato dey very good like this. I beg borrow me some make I put on top of my food.
It is very rich in vitamin K. It helps to fight against cancer. This is my lunch. Join me. Let's do this breakfast together.
Hey. Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah, it's breakfast time. I'm going to be preparing my turmeric tea right now. If you know you're watching your weight like me. So, let's get right into this breakfast. Dropping the tea bag into the teacup. And with me here, I've got lemon already chopped into slices. And I'm just dropping a few slices into the teacup. The next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to pour boiling water into the teacup. And after that, I'm just going to set the tea aside in order to allow the tea and the lemon to infuse into the water properly while I prepare my appetizer. Fam, you can never go wrong with this appetizer. It is a very good one. It is loaded with vitamin C and it is packed with fiber. Honestly, this is going to help to metabolize my system so fast. If you know you've got a very slow metabolism, try this appetizer out. It is a very good one. The reason why people are having that kind of bloated stomach is because their system doesn't metabolize fast. So in a situation whereby you're always finding it difficult, all right, to flush out toxins from your body, you know, to poop everything out of your body each time you eat, is because your metabolism is not doing the right job. You can see, honestly, this appetizer is a go-to, fam. You can never go wrong with it. And right now, I'm moving over to the main course. Here I've got a small portion of bread and I've got sliced tomato. This breakfast is a go-to. Honestly, try it out. You are going to be thankful. Fresh lemon juice infused into it. Oh my goodness. I'm getting ready for my summer wears. If you know you are going to be changing your wardrobe this summer, let me know in the comment section. I, for one, I don't get time to change wardrobe. I slim fit I wear. When I big reach am or I big pass am, I lose am again. If I catch you laugh for comment section. Oh my goodness. I'm really enjoying this, honestly. I took 2 tomatoes because I know that at the end of the day, I'm going to be having something like this bread, all right, without tomatoes. So I'm going to be using this one right now to blend it. Fam, this combo is a bomb. Don't look at my table, eh? Don't say, you have crumbs all over. Is it your table? You want to come follow me maintain my table again? If you stick to this kind of breakfast with a little exercise, oh my God, you have your shape back, honestly. But I'm not trying to say after taking this kind of breakfast, then you should go and eat 1 bag of pounded yam or 1 bag of burger. Then you come and tell me, oh, I couldn't lose weight. In that case, you are your own. Oh my goodness. This is powerful. Let's press a little more. Pressing it a little more to have all the goodness in this lemon incorporated into this tea. I ain't leaving anything at all. Wow. Now I got the taste. Stay healthy, eat healthy, exercise, drink lots of water.